Hello, my name is Ali Carter. I am the founder of Mediate UK. I'm going to talk to you today about the divorce process. So this is where one of you is applying for the divorce. Under the new divorce law that came out a few years back now, you can actually both apply for the divorce together. Slightly different process, not huge, but I'll just explain it for the most common one, which is where one person is applying for the divorce. Under the new no-fault divorce law, you don't give grounds anymore. You can't give grounds even if you wanted to. You can only apply on the one ground now, and that's that the marriage is not recoverable. So to do this, you apply. The easiest way is to go online. There's links within the blog, and you can process the divorce yourself. You can obviously use a solicitor if you want to. You can use a Mediate UK package. There's online divorce companies, and there's a few, or you can speak to a Mackenzie friend to help you. So there's a few options there, but it's quite easy now. You can go online yourself to start the process. Once you've done that, the court will contact and write to the other party, and they have 2 weeks to sign an acknowledgement of service. When the court's got that back, you then go into a 20-week waiting period, cooling off period if you like. If you've had a huge argument and you've decided that's it, they give you 20 weeks to really make sure that this is what you want to do with your life. And at the end of that 20-week period, you can then apply for a conditional order. A conditional order is where the court say, yes, we are going to allow you to divorce. And during that time, you then have to wait 6 weeks and a day before you can apply for the final order. During that 6 weeks and a day period, that's when most people will file their financial order. Hopefully by that stage, you've got an agreement. You shouldn't get your final order until you've got your finances sorted. People do, but there's quite a few reasons why you shouldn't, if possible. So once you've got your conditional order, you wait 6 weeks and a day, you apply for your final order. A few days, maybe a week later, you'll get your final divorce order come through, and you are no longer legally married. Hopefully by that stage you've also sorted out your finances, and hopefully you've sorted out all your parenting arrangements, and you can start the process of moving on with your life. So it's a relatively straightforward process now, albeit it still takes quite a few months. My advice is spend the money on sorting out the finances and the parenting if you need to, because you can usually save a little bit of money by actually managing the divorce aspect, that paperwork process, if you like, yourself. So whatever method you use, however you do it, I wish you all the best of luck in your futures and following on from your divorce. Many thanks.